In this video, we are going to see how we can adjust the date and time for the scheduled video that was scheduled for a specific date and time. If you want to change that, here's how you can easily do it. So first of all, you want to head over to the YouTube studio, and once you do, you head over to the content section from the left hand side, and there you find your scheduled videos. From here, you can just hit that drop down. You can save or publish that right away. You can make it public right away. You can publish that, or otherwise, if you want to customize the time of the schedule, let's say you want to publish it not on the 10th April but on the 11th, and you want it to be published in the evening, let's say after 5:45 p.m. You also want to change the time zone. You can change the time zone from here, and after that you can click on schedule, and that is how you can adjust the date and time of it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.